all the Siddharaya Maths online class. Today we are going to discuss 10th Maths 6th chapter Trigonometry. Already we completed in this exercise 6.1 7 sum. So today we are going to discuss 8th sum. If cos alpha by cos beta equal to m and cos alpha by cos sin beta is equal to n, then prove that m square plus n square into cos square beta is equal to n square. Here m value and n value given. We have to prove m square plus n square into cos square beta equal to n square. Here what is given? M is equal to cos alpha by cos beta. Here we want to find m square. So find m square is equal to cos square alpha by cos square beta. Next here what is n? N is equal to cos alpha by sin beta. The same n square we need. So find n square is equal to cos square alpha by sin square beta. Here m cos alpha by cos beta means m square means whole square. So whole square cos square alpha by cos square beta. N cos alpha by sin beta. So n square means that is whole square. So separately give square. So cos square alpha by sin square beta. And here substitute m square plus n square into cos square beta is equal to, what is m square answer? Cos square alpha by cos square beta plus n square, that is cos square alpha by sin square beta into cos square beta. Clear? Next this one you simplify. You take LCM or before itself we take common outside, that is cos squared alpha. Here two terms numerator cos squared alpha is there, so we take outside. So cos squared alpha remaining 1 by cos squared beta plus 1 by sin square beta into cos square beta. So next you simplify this term. So cos square alpha, we take LCM cos square beta into sin square beta. So plus means we take cross multiplication. So sin square beta plus cos square beta. Clear? So already this method we discussed. So here take LCM these two cross multiplications into cos square beta. So next cos square alpha. Here sin square beta plus cos square beta, that is identity. Using that identity, answer is 1. So 1 by cos square beta into sin square beta into cos square beta. So here now all are multiplications. So cos square beta and cos square beta cancel. At last what we get? Cos square alpha by sin square beta. So what we want to prove? Opposite n square. See that n value n value cos alpha by sin beta, n square cos square alpha by sin square beta. So we proved that is n square. So at last we take LHS, that is m square. Therefore m square plus n square into cos square beta is equal to n square. So clear? We take LHS and RHS. We proved result. So next we see the second option. Second option, if cot theta plus tan theta equal to x and secant theta minus cos theta equal to y, then prove that x squared y whole power 2 by 3 minus x y squared whole power 2 by 3 equal to 1. The first question model given that question m and n given, have to prove that result. Here x and y given, we have to prove prove this result. Clear? So first you find the given. Given x is equal to cot theta plus tan theta. Clear? So before you itself you simplify this. Cot theta can be written cos theta by sin theta. Tan written sin theta by cos theta. Clear? So these two same. Take LCM. What is that? Sin theta into cos theta. Cross multiply means cos square theta plus sin square theta. So now using the identity, cos square theta plus sin square theta answer 1. So 1 by sin theta into cos theta. So that is x value. Next y. What is that y value? Secant theta minus cos theta. Y is equal to secant theta minus cos theta. So this also you simplify. Secant theta can be written 1 by cos theta. Reciprocal. So 1 by cos theta minus cos theta. So this also take LCM. Here cos theta means 1. So here there is no number means that is denominator 1. Cos theta into 1 cos theta. Cross multiply 1 into 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 minus cos square theta answer is sin square theta. Sin square theta by cos theta. So what is the y answer? Sin square theta by cos theta. Y is equal to sin square theta by cos theta. So now substitute here. So separately you find this and then find and then subtract. You get the answer. Otherwise directly you substitute. So here first one x square y whole power 2 by 3 is equal to x square. What is that x? 1 by sin theta cos theta whole square x to y into sin square theta by cos theta whole power 2 by 3. Clear? So first you find the steps and then find this and then subtract. This is equal to this one you give 1 by sin square theta into cos square theta into here sin square theta by cos theta whole power 2 by 3. Here inside is sin square theta cancel. At last what we get? 1 by cos square into cos cube theta. So 1 by cos cube theta whole power 2 by 3. So this cos cube theta written as cos theta whole cube. Yes or no? Both are same. So 1 by cos theta whole cube into 2 by 3. So that is a power m into a power n. A power m whole power n means we can write a power mn. So like that write means what we get? 1 by cos theta 3 into 2 by 3. So 3 cancel. At last what we get? 1 by cos theta whole square. Then whole square written as cos square theta. So x square y whole power 2 by 3. Answer 1 by cos square theta. At last we get this answer. Clear? Here apply that power rule. So already lower classes are studied now that power rule we apply. Next you find this term xy square whole power 2 by 3. So now substitute x value 1 by sin theta cos theta. 1 by sin theta into cos theta. Next y square. Y answer sin square by sin square theta by cos theta, that is y square whole power 2 by 3. So substitute here sin square theta whole square means sin theta. Sin power 4 theta by, here already one sin theta is there. Here cos theta whole square means cos square theta. At last 2 by 3. So here power, here 1. So cancel means we get 3. Here cos theta into cos square theta, cos cube theta. At last we get sin cube theta by cos cube theta whole power 2 by 3. So the same sin cube theta by cos cube theta written as sin theta by cos theta whole cube. Sin theta by cos theta whole cube and whole power 2 by 3. Here so apply the same rule. A power m whole power n is equal to a power m into n. So apply the rule means what we get? Sin theta by cos theta 3 into 2 by 3, that is cancelled. At last we get sin square theta whole square. So give separately sin square theta by cos square theta. So that is xy square whole power 2 by 3 answer. Clear? Next one, substitute this. This answer already find. What is that? 1 by cos square theta. This answer sin square theta by cos square theta. So these two simplify means we get answer 1. So substitute x square y whole power 2 by 3 minus x y square whole power 2 by 3 is equal to this answer 1 by cos square. 1 by cos square theta minus xy square whole power 2 by 3 sin square theta by cos square theta. So is a like term. So take LCM, that is cos square theta. Numerator 1 minus sin square theta. So identities 1 minus sin square theta answer cos square theta. So cos square theta by cos square theta. So both cos square cancel. Answer 1. At last what we get? X square y whole power 2 by 3 minus x y square whole power 2 by 3. The answer is 1. Clear now? So directly find these two answer and subtract we get 1. Otherwise separately we find x square y whole power 2 by 3 and x y square whole power 2 by 3 and then subtract. So any method we do. Is it clear? Now we see 9th one. First option, if sin theta plus cos theta equal to p and secant theta plus cosecant theta equal to q, then prove that 2 into p square minus 1 equal to 2p. So now we discuss now the same method. First one m and n given, we prove that result. Second x and y given, we prove that result. Here p and q given, have to prove this result. Q into p square minus 1 equal to 2p. So first write given p equal to sin theta plus cos theta, but we need p square. So now itself is squaring. So square p squared equal to sin theta plus cos theta whole square. This one what format? A plus b whole square. Apply that a square plus b square plus 2ab. So apply a square plus b square plus 2ab. Clear? Next sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is identity. What is answer? 1. So 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta, that is p square. Next you write q. Q is what? Secant theta plus cosecant theta. Q is equal to secant theta plus cosecant theta. Again you simplify. Secant theta can be written, that is reciprocal 1 by cos theta. Cosecant theta is reciprocal 1 by sin theta. So take LCM. Cos theta into sin sin theta. Cross multiply means sin theta plus cos theta. So that's all. So up to last step you simplify and get it. So that is q. That is p square. Now substitute the result q into p square minus 1 is equal to q answer sin theta plus cos theta by cos theta into sin theta. P square 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta. That is p square. Already written minus 1. Clear? Substitute q answer into p square minus 1. So p square answer this one minus 1 already. So here plus 1 minus 1 cancel. So what we get? Sin theta plus cos theta by cos theta into sin theta. Here what is the remaining? Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Remaining 2 sin theta cos theta only. So now these two multiplications. So any common we simplify. Sin theta cancel, cos theta cancel. At last we get the numerical value 2 into sin theta plus cos theta. So write 2 into this sin theta plus cos theta, which value? That is p value. So substitute p. So opposite we proved. What is proved? Q into p square minus 1 is equal to 2p. Clear? So we take any one side LHS. We prove the RHS. Second option. If sin theta into 1 plus sin square theta equal to cos square theta. That is given value. We want to prove cos power 6 theta minus 4 cos power 4 theta plus 8 cos square theta equal to 4. That is we want to prove. Clear? So here using this given, we have to prove this result. What is the given? Sin theta into 1 plus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. So in this result all are only cos. So no need sin value. So we want to remove the sin theta. How we remove? And also here cos power 6 theta, cos power 4 theta, cos square theta also given. So this term squaring means we get increasing the powers. Clear? So squaring on both sides in this given. Squaring on both sides we get. So this type of question we see that what value given, here what term given. So what powers are there. So that see that you take the type of this given, you converted into that powers and that term. So what we do? So here only possible squaring. Squaring means easily you converted into cos and then increasing the powers also. Clear? So square means what is that? Sin square theta and 1 plus sin square theta whole square. Clear? Is equal to cos square theta whole square. So this term fully squaring and this term fully squaring. So this term fully squaring means what is that? Sin square theta into 1 plus sin square theta whole square equal to cos square theta. So again sin square theta, this one a plus b whole square. So apply a square plus 2ab. That is 1 into sin square theta 1 into 1 plus sin square theta whole square. That is b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square equal to cos square theta whole square is cos power 4 theta. Clear? So this fully want to change into cos term. Clear? So sin square theta what is identity? 1 minus cos square. So 1 minus cos square theta. Here 1 square answer 1 plus 2 into again sin square theta answer 1 minus cos square theta plus here sin square theta 1 minus cos square theta. What suppose you change it into cos square? All cos square. So the proof is all terms are cos. Clear? So that's why all sign change into cos. Is equal to cos power 4 theta. And the next this term first you simplify. 1 minus cos square theta. 1 plus this 2 multiply 2 minus 2 cos square theta. This one 1 minus the sin square theta answer 1 minus cos square theta again whole square. So here whole square. So what is the format? A minus b whole square. Apply that a square minus 2ab plus b square equal to cos power 4 theta. Clear? And again 1 minus cos square theta. Here what is that? 1 plus 2, 3 minus 2 cos square theta. This you simplify this bracket. 1 square answer 1 plus 1 minus 2 into 1 2 cos square theta. 2 cos square theta. Here b square, that is cos square whole square. So cos square whole square. So cos square whole square answer is cos power 4 theta. Cos power 4 theta. So want to multiply these two terms equal to cos power 4 theta. Clear? So first you multiply 1 into this full term. Otherwise before itself you simplify 1 minus cos square theta into here numerical value 1 and 3. What is it? 4. And here minus 2 cos square minus 2 cos square. So like term. So that is minus 4 cos square theta plus cos power 4 theta equal to cos power 4 theta. Clear? So these two terms want to multiply. Multiply 1 into this term fully. So what is it? 1 into 4, 4 minus 4 cos square theta plus cos power 4 theta. And this term minus cos square into all term. So what is it? Minus 4 cos square theta minus cos square into minus into minus plus 4 cos square into cos square plus 4 cos square into cos square cos power 4 theta. And next minus into minus plus minus cos square into cos power 4 cos power 6 theta is equal to cos power 4 theta. Clear? So 1 into this term fully. 1 into 4, 4 minus 4 cos square theta plus cos power 4 theta. And minus cos square into 4 minus 4 cos square theta. Minus into minus plus 4 cos square into cos square cos power 4 theta. Minus into plus minus cos square into cos power 4 cos power 6 theta is equal to cos power 4 theta. So now change all the terms are cos theta. So you simplify means we get the answer. So 4 collect the same term minus 4 minus 4. So what is it? Minus, that is a like term. So minus 4 minus 8 cos square theta and collect 4. Here what is it? Cos power 4 theta plus 4 cos power. So totally 5 plus 5 cos power 4 theta and here one more cos power theta. So cos power 4 theta. So first 4 numbers written and the cos square term written and 4. So 4 also written. Next power. What is it? Minus cos power 6 theta equal to opposite term. Bring this side. So 0. Clear? So next here prove that opposite is 4. That is numerical value. So 4 is equal to this term goes to opposite side. What is that? Plus 8 cos square theta. Here plus 5 cos power 4 theta minus cos power. Plus 5 minus 1 plus 4. Plus 4 goes to opposite side. Minus 4 cos power 4 theta. Here minus cos power goes to opposite side. Plus cos power 6 theta. Clear? So what we prove first? Cos power 6 theta. So plus cos power 6 theta and minus. Correct answer. So minus 4 cos square 4 theta. Next plus 8. So here also plus 8 cos square theta. Opposite equal to 4. So equal to 4. Equal to 4. So at last what we get? Cos square 6 theta minus 4 cos square 4 theta plus 8 cos square theta is equal to 4. Clear? So easily prove this result. So here sign terms given. So we sign want to change cos, that's why squaring on both sides. So we need highest power 6. So that's why squaring on both sides mean. And then you change sign terms are changed into cos using the identity. So easily get the answer. Now we see 10th one. Here what is given? Cos theta plus 1 by sin theta is equal to 1 by a. We prove that a square minus 1 by a square plus 1 equal to sin theta. So first write given. What is that? 1 by a is equal to cos theta by 1 plus sin theta. So here a square we need. So you find a first. So 1 by a. So reciprocal means we get a answer. So a is equal to 1 this side also reciprocal. 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. Clear? 1 by a is cos by 1 plus sin means a. That is reciprocal means this side also reciprocal. So a is equal to 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. And this one separately give 1 by cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta. Clear? Next 1 by cos theta, that is reciprocal answer is secant theta. Again sin theta by cos theta, tan theta. So that is a answer. Clear? So we need a square. So a square is equal to this term square. Secant theta plus tan theta whole square. That is a plus b whole square format. A plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. So a square equal to secant square theta plus tan square theta plus 2ab. 2 secant theta tan theta. This is a square answer. So apply this. A square minus 1 by a square plus 1. A square term. Secant square theta plus tan square theta plus 2 secant theta tan theta. Here minus 1 already given. By a square secant square theta plus tan square theta plus 2 secant theta tan theta. Here plus 1. Clear? A square apply and minus 1. Here a square plus 1. Now you simplify. Here we need only sin theta. Last question sir we discussed opposite. Prove that what is given. You see that you change that answer. Here secant and tan want to change in sign. Clear? In the term irukko and the term mari you change panikkணும். Clear? So you convert it into identities. Which identities we apply here? Secant square minus 1. What is the answer? Secant square theta minus 1. Tan square theta. So tan square theta plus tan square theta plus 2 secant theta tan theta by here again any identities tan square theta plus 1. So secant square theta tan square theta plus 1 secant square theta plus 2 secant theta tan theta. Clear? So again tan square theta plus tan square theta 2 tan square theta 2 tan square theta plus 2 secant theta tan theta. Down secant square plus secant square 2 secant square. So 2 secant square theta plus 2 secant theta tan theta. Again see that anything common. Here tan, here also tan. Here secant, secant. So we take 2 tan theta. Remaining 1 tan theta. Here 2 tan theta we take outside. Remaining secant theta only. Denominator, what is it common? 2 secant theta. So 2 secant theta. Remaining secant theta here, tan theta. So 2 to cancel. Here tan theta plus secant theta, here also secant theta plus tan theta. So both are addition is commutative. So tan theta, secant theta cancel. So at last what we get? Tan theta by secant theta. This tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta into 1 by secant theta. That is a reciprocal. So that is cos theta. 1 by secant theta written as cos theta. At last cos theta cancel. What we get? Sin theta. So we proved a square minus 1 by a square plus 1 equal to sin theta. We proved. Clear? So exercise all sums completed. And example up to 10 sum already completed. The remaining sum up to 70 homework. Class எந்த மெத்தட் ஃபாலோ பண்ணிருக்கோ the same method தான் எக்ஸாம்பிள் இருக்கு. இங்க x y ங்கிறதுல அங்க a b p q. So like that given. Is it clear? So you complete that all example sum. Clear? Thank you students.